As more counties move to level red, there are fewer places for Coloradans to dine indoors, which may be a problem as we get into the winter months. But we are seeing restaurants get creative with their outdoor dining plans, including building structures or putting up tents to help keep guests out of the elements. That has some asking the question, if you're dining in a tent, how is that any different than actually dining indoors? Andrea Flores asking that question for us tonight joins us now. And Andrea, what makes these outdoor structures safe?
Well, Karen, unlike indoor dining, which can trap air as people sit inside, these huge tents outside Cerebral Brewing in Denver are outdoor structures that allow for airflow and that ventilation that is required under level red restrictions.
We kind of saw some of this coming.
Cerebral Brewing in Denver is now under level red COVID restrictions. Indoor dining is banned under the new guidelines.
Went ahead and rented tents, heaters.
Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment regulations state outdoor tents must have two non-adjacent sides open at all times.
Having the two sides of the tent open plus tent heaters, we don't feel like the risk is super high.
Whitney Dahm, infection prevention manager at North Suburban Medical Center, says while outdoor dining is the safer alternative, there are still risks.
Even outdoors, people still need a distance, and it is recommended, even if they are outdoors, to wear their mask when they're not eating and drinking, just to really help prevent the spread as much as possible.
Cerebral Brewing knows keeping customers safe is necessary in order for businesses to survive.
Ultimately, we don't have a significant federal response to support anything, restaurants especially. So I think it's huge. If you want businesses to be there when this is all done, then you need to support them now. And a few other reminders, along with 6 feet of social distancing underneath these tents. People and customers can only sit with members of the same household when dining outdoors. Reporting live in Denver, I'm Andrea Flores, covering Colorado First.